Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots. Now coming to the square root of a rational number. Find the square root of 49 into 25 and show that it is equal to square root of 49 into square root of 25. So for that we will do square root of 49 into 25 on left hand side and square root of 49 into square root of 25 on the right hand side. Now the square root of this one will be how much? The 49 is square root of 7 square and 25 can be written as 5 square. Now square root and square that get cancelled and you will get 7 5s are 35. Now here square root of 49 is 7 and square root of 25 is 5. Again you got it to be 35. So either way the answer is the same. That means the rule number 1 is for perfect squares A and B. They should be perfect squares. The square root of A into B is equal to square root of A into square root of B. Is it clear? That was the first rule. Now coming to the second rule, the division. Square root of 49 by 25 is equal to square root of 49 upon square root of 25. So, square root of 49 by 25 and square root of 49 upon square root of 25. So, this can be written as square root of 7 squared upon 5 squared. Square root square gets cancelled. You got the answer 7 by 5. Now here the square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 25 is 5. So on both the way, when you solve the sum in both ways, the answer is same. So rule number 2 is for perfect squares A and B where B is not equal to 0. So always remember the denominator should not be equal to 0. Then square root of A by B is equal to square root of A upon square root of B. Is it clear? So that was about the question number, the example number 11 and 12. Now coming to the question example 13. Sorry, the example 13. Now in this sum, it is the value of 200 and square root of 243 upon square root of 867. See the numbers. Are they perfect squares? No. So in that case, what we have to do is put the common square root. So square root of 243 upon square root of 867 can be written as square root of 243 upon 867. Now check, are they divisible by any number? First check for 3. Not possible with 2. So 3. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. 8 plus 2, 10, 14, 14 plus 7 is a 21. Yes, divisible by 3. So, when you divide by 3, this one will become 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Here, 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 3 8s are 24 and 2 remains, 9s are 27. So, you got square root of 81 upon 289. Then square root of 81 upon square root of 289. Square root of 81 is 9. Of 289 is 17. So you got the answer 9/17. तो जहाँ जो भी न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर का जो भी स्क्वायर रूट का फाइंड आउट करने को बोले हैं वो नंबर्स परफेक्ट स्क्वायर्स नहीं है, तो कॉमन स्क्वायर रूट ले लो, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर लिखो, उसको HCF से कैंसिल करो, then you will get the perfect square. Then find out the square root. Now coming to the example 14. The square root of 156/169 means it is a mixed number. So what we have to do? First convert into an improper fraction. So 169 denominator में रहेगा, 169 ones are 169 plus 56, it will become 225. Multiply and then add. So you got 225 upon 169 means square root of 225 upon square root of 169. 225 किसका स्क्वायर है? 15. 169 is of 13. Now convert into, because in the question it is the mixed number, convert here also into mixed number. So it becomes 13 ones are 13, 2 remains 2/13. So answer is 1, 2/13. Now next number is 14400. Can be written as square root of 144 into 100. Yes or no? So 14400 can be written as 144 into 100. So this becomes square root of 144 into square root of 100. So 144, whose square? It is 12. And 100 is of 10. 120 into 10. 112 into 10 is 120. समझ में आ गए? So division है तो जैसे if it is a mixed number, convert into improper fraction and do as it the above. And here bigger number you simplify, like if it is in hundreds, then 10,000s and all. So you do like this and find out the value. Now squares of terminating decimals. Now coming to decimals. So 4 square is 16. So 0.4 square. How much it will be? 4 square is 16. But here it is 1 decimal. So in the 1 decimal square you will be having 2 decimals. So it will become 0.16. 12 square is 144. So 1.2 square will be 144. Here 1 decimal. So answer will be 2 decimal. So the answer is 1.44. Here 15 squared is 225. 1.5 squared will be 225. 1 decimal place, so it will be 2 decimal. Now here 15 square you write as it is 225. Now 2 decimal, so in the square it will be 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you are understanding. So when there is no decimal, directly 1 decimal in the square it will be 2 decimal. If it is a 2 decimal in the square it will be 4 decimal. Now 18 square you know 324. 1.8 square will be 324. So 1 decimal put 2 decimal. Now here 324 as it is you have to write 2 decimal. So here it should be 4 decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 0.0324. Hope you understood. Now coming to the squares of 0.41 the square. 41 का square आएगा 1681. Multiply and see. It will be 1681. 2 decimal 1 2 3 4. Answer will be 4 decimal. 26 square is 626. 676. So 1 decimal in the answer it will be 2 decimal. 25 square, you know, it is 625. It is 2 decimal. So here it will be 4 decimal. 9 square, how much it is? 81. But now it is 1 2 3. So here it will be 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 0.4 zeros and 81. 81. Understood? 1 decimal it will be, if it is 1 decimal you have to put how much? 2 decimal place. 2 decimals 4 decimal place. 3 decimal 6 decimal place. Okay. So we have completed the example 15. Now coming to example 16. It is a square root of the numbers in decimal form which are perfect squares. So here we are discussing about the decimal form where it is the perfect square. Okay. So in this, on the whole number side, I have told how to group from right to left. So 47 and 1. And in the decimal place, you have to move from left to right. So 13 and 69. Okay. Now the same method. 1 ones are 1. Subtract, you will get 0. Bring 47 down. Okay. Now add 1, you will get 2. Now 2, how much are 4? 2 2s are. Try. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. You get 44. Send S, you can. And here there is decimal. Immediately put the decimal place. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. When you subtract, you get 3. Now bring this 13 down. Now next step is add 2. 2 plus 2, 4 and this 2. Now here it is 2 digit, here it is 3 digit. Means it will be 2 how much are 3? 2 ones are. So if you put 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2. You can't put 2, isn't it? It will be bigger. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. Now it is 1 means 11 minus 4 is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring this 69 down. Add 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 2. Now 3 decimal and 4 decimal. So we have to ask the only one digit. 2 how much are 7? So it will be 2, 4, 2, 3. 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 7. Yes. So it will be 3. So you got 7, 2, 6, 9. When you subtract, the answer is 0. That is why they have told it is a perfect square. decimal, but it is a perfect square. Hope you understood. Answer: square root of 147.1369 is equal to 12.13. Now coming to the example 17. On the whole number side it is 0. So no need of grouping. On the right side, left to right. So 0, 0, 0, 5, 9, 0, 4, 9. Okay. Now 0 on the whole number side. So put 0 and then you proceed. So 0. Yes, 0, 0, 0. It will be 0. Next, bring this 0, 5 down. When you add 0, it will be 0. Now, if you put 2, 2 2s are 4, isn't it? So, you put 2 2s are 4. Hope everyone is understanding the decimals, how to do the square root. Okay, now 5 minus 4, 1. Bring 90 down. Now add this 2, you'll get 4. Now 4, how much are 19? 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 17. Can you put? Yes. So put 4. You got 176. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it is 8 minus 7 is 1. Now bring this 49 down. Now add 4. 4 plus 4, 8, and 4 as it is. Now 4, how much are 14? 4 4s are 16. 4 3s are 12. So 48 as it is. And now put 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24. 3 4s are 12. 13, 14. Yes. So put 3. 3. You got 1 4 4 9. Subtract. Got the remainder 0. So answer: square root of 0.00059049 is equal to how much? 0.0243. Is it clear? So we have completed the example 17, that is the square root of the numbers in decimal form, but they are perfect squares. Hope everyone understood. सबको समझ में आया होगा? ठीक है? Okay then, bye. Thank you.